Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a lightweight, user-friendly option ideal for beginners and intermediate players looking for power, comfort, and ease of play. Its standout feature is the titanium and graphite composite frame, which provides a strong yet lightweight build, enhancing maneuverability and reducing strain on the arm during extended play. The racket has an oversized 115 square inch head, offering a large sweet spot for more forgiving shots and increased power. This makes it particularly suitable for players who are still developing their technique and need consistency on off-center hits. Weighing only 8 ounces, strung, the T.S6 allows for faster swing speeds, making it easier to generate power and control without exhausting the player. The slightly extended length of 27.75 inches provides added reach and leverage, which is especially helpful for powerful serves and deep ground strokes. Head's Energy Bridge technology enhances stability and absorbs vibrations, contributing to a smoother and more comfortable playing experience. This feature is particularly valuable for players prone to arm fatigue or injuries such as tennis elbow. Overall, the Head T.S6 is a versatile racket offering power, comfort, and ease of use. Its lightweight frame and large sweet spot make it an excellent choice for casual players or those just starting their tennis journey. Whether for recreational play or stepping up to competitive matches, this racket provides the necessary tools for consistent performance and enjoyable gameplay. Number 2. The Yonex Ezone 100 7th Gen tennis racket is a high-performance option designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking a balance of power, comfort, and control. Known for its innovative technologies, the 7th generation model offers improved performance and a comfortable playing experience. With a 100 square inch head size, the Ezone 100 provides a generous sweet spot, enhanced by Yonex's signature isometric technology, which optimizes the head shape for consistent power and precision across the string bed. This feature ensures forgiveness on off-center hits, making it suitable for players who prioritize accuracy and consistency. The racket incorporates vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle, significantly reducing vibrations for a smoother, more comfortable feel, even during extended play. This makes it particularly beneficial for players looking to minimize arm fatigue or the risk of injuries like tennis elbow. Weighing 305 grams unstrung, the Ezone 100 strikes an ideal balance between maneuverability and stability, offering easy handling for fast swings and aggressive playstyles. Its 16 by 19 string pattern enhances spin potential, allowing players to generate control and topspin on ground strokes and serves. The frame's updated design also provides improved flexibility and stability, delivering precise control during high-intensity rallies. This makes the racket suitable for players who rely on both power and finesse in their game. Its slightly stiff construction further adds to its stability, ensuring confidence during impactful shots. Overall, the Yonex Ezone 100 7th Gen is a versatile racket offering excellent power, comfort, and spin potential. Whether used for baseline rallies or aggressive net play, it provides consistent performance and adaptability, making it a strong choice for competitive players seeking a reliable all-around racket. Number 3. The Wilson Blade 98 16 by 19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket is crafted for advanced players who prioritize precision, control, and spin. As part of the iconic Blade series, this racket features cutting-edge technology and a sleek design, making it a popular choice among competitive players. The 98 square inch head size provides a smaller, more precise sweet spot, delivering excellent control and responsiveness for players with refined techniques. The 16 by 19 string pattern enhances spin potential, allowing players to execute aggressive, spin-heavy shots with ease. This combination makes the Blade 98 V9 ideal for players who rely on strategic placement and shot variety. Constructed with braided graphite plus basalt, the racket ensures exceptional stability and feel, giving players confidence during high-intensity rallies. The inclusion of FeelFlex technology further enhances the frame's flexibility, improving ball pocketing and control without compromising responsiveness. Weighing 305 grams unstrung, the racket offers a balance of stability and maneuverability, enabling quick reactions and powerful swings. Its slightly thinner beam design emphasizes control and feel, catering to players who value precision over raw power. The Blade 98 V9's aesthetic is modern and sophisticated, reflecting its high-performance capabilities. Available in grip sizes 1 to 4, it accommodates a wide range of hand sizes for a comfortable fit. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a top-tier choice for advanced players who demand control, spin, and a connected feel. Its combination of precision-oriented features and innovative technology makes it a reliable and versatile racket for players looking to elevate their game. Number 4. The Sonya Blackout 300 tennis racket is a dynamic option for intermediate to advanced players who value power, spin, and comfort in a lightweight frame. With its well-rounded performance attributes, this racket suits a variety of playing styles, particularly those with aggressive baselines or spin-heavy techniques. Featuring a 100 square inch head size, the Blackout 300 offers a generous sweet spot for a balance of power and control, making it forgiving on off-center hits. The racket's 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential, allowing players to generate topspin and slice with ease, catering to both offensive and defensive strategies. Weighing 300 grams unstrung, this racket provides an excellent blend of maneuverability and stability, enabling quick reactions during rallies and at the net. Its slightly headlight balance further enhances its handling, making it easier to execute fast swings and sharp angles. The frame incorporates Ezone technology, which optimizes frame stiffness and flex for improved energy transfer and comfort. Additionally, the racket is engineered with liquid crystal fiber technology, reducing vibrations for a smoother feel, enhancing comfort during long matches, and minimizing the risk of arm fatigue or injury. The Blackout 300's construction emphasizes both stability and responsiveness, offering players confidence in their shot-making. Its sleek and modern design also adds to its appeal for those who value aesthetics alongside performance. Overall, the Sonya Blackout 300 tennis racket is a versatile, high-performing option for players seeking a racket that blends power, spin, and comfort. Whether for baseline play, serves, or net volleys, it delivers reliable performance and adaptability, making it a great choice for competitive and recreational players alike. Number 5. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket is a high-quality racket designed for advanced players seeking precision, control, and a classic feel. Part of the legendary Pro Staff series, it combines cutting-edge technology with timeless performance to meet the demands of modern, competitive play. The racket features a 97 square inch head size, which provides a smaller sweet spot ideal for players who prioritize pinpoint accuracy and shot placement. Its 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential, offering players the ability to generate topspin and slice with precision. Weighing 315 grams unstrung, the Pro Staff 97 V14 strikes a balance between stability and maneuverability. Its slightly headlight balance allows for quick handling and fast swings, making it effective for aggressive baseline rallies and rapid exchanges at the net. The thinner beam design adds to the racket's control and feel, making it a preferred choice for players who value finesse and responsiveness. The racket incorporates braided graphite plus Kevlar construction, ensuring a firm yet comfortable feel with reduced vibrations for better shot feedback. Paradigm bending technology optimizes the frame's flexibility and stability, enhancing control without sacrificing power. In terms of aesthetics, the V14 edition features a refined and modern design, appealing to players who appreciate sleek and professional styling. Its unstrung configuration allows for personalized stringing to suit individual playing preferences. Overall, the Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is a versatile and precision-focused racket that excels in control and responsiveness. It's ideal for advanced players who rely on strategic shot-making, consistent feel, and top-tier performance. Whether at the baseline, on serves, or at the net, the Pro Staff 97 V14 delivers the reliability and craftsmanship expected from the iconic Pro Staff line.